How to install PostgreSQL on Almalinux. Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we'll be covering an important topic for database administrators and developers: how to install PostgreSQL on Almalinux. PostgreSQL is a powerful open-source relational database management system, and Almalinux is a reliable Linux distribution. By combining the two, you can set up a robust and efficient database environment. So, let's get started. Update system packages. Before we begin, it's always a good practice to update the system packages to ensure we have the latest software versions and security patches. Let's start by running the following command. This command will update the package repositories and install any available updates for your Almalinux system. Install PostgreSQL. Now that our system is up to date, let's move on to installing PostgreSQL. Almalinux provides PostgreSQL packages in its default repositories, making the installation process straightforward. Run the following command to install PostgreSQL. This command installs the PostgreSQL package group, which includes all the necessary components for running PostgreSQL on your Almalinux system. Start and enable the PostgreSQL service. Once the installation is complete, we need to start the PostgreSQL service and enable it to start automatically at system boot. Let's execute the following commands. The first command starts the PostgreSQL service, while the second command configures it to start automatically whenever the system boots up. Secure your PostgreSQL installation. Security is paramount when it comes to database installations. By default, PostgreSQL allows connections from the local machine only. However, we can enhance security further by adjusting a few settings. Let's proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Open the PostgreSQL configuration file for editing.
Step 2. Locate the line that starts with #listen_addresses and uncomment it by removing the hash symbol. Then, modify the line to specify the IP addresses or network interfaces from which PostgreSQL should accept connections. For example, to allow connections from all IP addresses, you can set it as follows. Step 3. Save the changes and exit the text editor. Step 4. Next, we need to modify the pg_hba.conference file to specify the authentication rules for PostgreSQL. Open the file for editing. Step 5. By default, PostgreSQL allows authentication using the ident method for local connections. To enhance security, we can change it to the MD5 method, which requires passwords for authentication. Locate the line that corresponds to local connections and modify it as follows. This line specifies that local connections require password-based authentication using the MD5 method. Step 6. Save the changes and exit the text editor. Step 7. Finally, restart the PostgreSQL service for the changes to take effect. Accessing PostgreSQL. With PostgreSQL installed and secured, let's briefly discuss how to access it. By default, PostgreSQL creates a superuser named Postgres with a corresponding Linux user account. To switch to the PostgreSQL user and access the PostgreSQL command line interface, execute the following command. You are now logged in as the Postgres user and can interact with the PostgreSQL database. Additional configuration, optional.
If you need to make additional configurations to your PostgreSQL installation, you can do so by modifying the PostgreSQL.conference file. This file contains various settings that allow you to fine-tune PostgreSQL based on your specific requirements. Just remember to restart the PostgreSQL service after making any changes. Congratulations! You've successfully installed PostgreSQL on your Almalinux system. By following these steps, you now have a powerful and secure database management system at your disposal. Whether you're a database administrator or a developer, PostgreSQL offers a wide range of features and capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.